What is up, YouTube? Today we're gonna be playing some Resident Evil. I have had a couple other games where I decided to try to record, but the game just didn't come to meet my standard, which is pretty surprising because I feel like if I'm starting up a YouTube channel, I'd be looking to make a video on really anything. But I've tried that honestly, and me making a video on anything just isn't gonna cut it because for what I want my YouTube channel to achieve, I want the highest standards for everything. So without me getting into detail on why it takes so long or why I feel like almost every game isn't going to cut it for YouTube, let's just hop into it because I am a really big fan of Resident Evil, and we just gonna get into it after that. They about to clap. They about to clap. Nah, we gotta get it back in blood after that one. We can't have them doing that.
September 30th, 1998.
It's a better camera. I have a camera, but it feels kind of bad.
The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella. Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky. I was asked later to join a top-secret government program. Not that I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me. But at least I kept my mind off everything. If I could just forget what happened that night.
That boy trained.
The pain, even for a second. This time, it can
I'm actually
be
really
different.
excited to play this. I'm not even gonna lie.
It has to.
Calm down. Oh. Hey, playing something like this a little slight to me. A little slight.
So tell me, Yankee, why did you come to this horrible place? As close to nowhere that I've ever seen.
Let's just say, looking for someone.
That someone must be very important, huh?
He already
Chief
know.
gave the orders himself. Help him, he said.
I'm sure you boys didn't come all the way out here to roast marshmallows. Maybe you did.
You have a strange sense of humor. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Just between us.
Oh, word? What's up?
A lot of people have gone missing around here. And it's been that way for a while now.
Well then, should be just another day in the office, right?
Yo.
I mean, last week there was a search for some missing hikers.
I'm sure you'll do your best to help me.
Damn, they laugh. I don't like the way they laugh.
I think this is it. Nature calls, huh? I'll be right back. Qué frío.
¿Te has bebido el bar entero?
That man's gotta go take a
You
leak.
smoke?
Nah, ain't nobody doing no cancer sticks.
Vaya sitio más tétrico. ¡Eh! ¿Hay alguien ahí?
He sure is taking his time. Did he fall in? Maybe you better go and take a look.
Is that alright?
Oh, watch the car. Wouldn't want to get a parking ticket.
So much for helping me.
Well, let's find out where the cop is. Hello? Might have to turn my sensitivity up. This is a little slow. I could run? Oh, yeah. Alright. What is that? Oh, that's a crow. Oh. Got blood on it? That joint got blood on it. That's not a very good thing.
How far could he have gone?
I don't know. This man just started walking. Oh, nah. That's wild. Crouch. Hello? Hello? Can I grab this? I think it'd be a safe idea to grab this. Oh, wait. I got a gun. What am I talking about? Let me go back here. I don't think anything's back here. Oh, I'm over here clicking the wrong buttons. Whoa. Whoa.
Anyone home?
Whoa. What is this? Reset. Oh, okay. What does this say? Judgment is nigh. Judgment is now. That's what it says. Alright. I mean, like, who getting judged? I'm about to be the jury, boy. Whoa. Whoa. What's in here? Is that where I was just at? I think that's where I was just at. Oh my goodness. Oh. What's wrong with homeboy? Yeah,
Sorry to barge in like this.
Porque. He said why. I don't know what he said why.
Busco a un policía. Vino aquí?
Oh, he said what? It means one of the two. Why or what? Oh, he killed the cop. Nah, we gotta get back in blood, bruh. Oh, hey, watch out! Me, Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, let me handle you. Me. Stupid. I'd have popped him a couple times. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
This is
Grab the key.
not good.
This game looks amazing, bro. It looks better than when I remembered it. Well, obviously,
Man,
you know what I mean.
stinks.
We gonna pop somebody. We gonna blast somebody. Hold on. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. What's my knife button? Oh, what's my knife? Oh, that's the knife. Yeah, you like that? You like that? Uh-huh. Oh, hold on. Go ahead, use that. Oh my god, this game is so amazing. Hello? You don't want to get blasted, do you? These guns don't feel too good. Was the scream even down here? See, I got the sniffles right now.
Hey.
Oh, he snatched the cop. Ouch.
I read you. What's your situation?
They got homeboy too.
What the hell's going on?
I don't know. We gonna find out. Escape the hunter's
What was
law.
that?
Hey, yo, what's up? What's up with you? What's up with you, homie? Hey, homie. Hey, homie. Oh.
Way.
Oh, hold on. Back up. Ah! Ah! Get off me. Come here. Yeah, you better sit down. Hold on.
Just keeps getting worse.
Yeah. Had it with y'all. I only got 10 rounds. I gotta savor this for something bad. How do I crouch? How do I crouch? How do I? Oh, there we go. There we go. Come on, guys. Hold on, guys. Gotta whoop some butt. Oh. Oh. How do we do this? Alright, so what we gonna do? We're gonna run in there, we're gonna bust a left, we're gonna execute him. We're gonna hit him with the 1-2 piece. And then after that, we're gonna slide, jump, slide, cancel to the right one. We're gonna blast him. Then after that, we're gonna have to bounce because I don't think we're gonna survive this. Alright. On the count of 3. Y'all ready? 1, 2. Back up. Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh. What did I just do? Oh. Oh, wait. Oh, that hurt. Hold on. Better hope I don't find out the controls of this game. Hold on. Let's pray. Yeah, I had it with you. Lay down. Why I fought him like that? Why homie get folded like that? Open. Hold on. Maybe got it. Oh. Maybe I can't go out that way. Y'all good? Y'all good in here? Okay. Screw that. Okay, so apparently if you... Where do I go? Where does he say? Oh, here we are.
Bruce, this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
The President's daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up. Something's happened to the people here.
Man,
My escorts are...
Oh, wait!
Gotta go.
Hey,
Talk
I ain't
later.
playing for that. I put a lock on the door for a reason.
I'll let myself out.
Oh, might as well at this point. Yeah, what's up? Come on. Yeah. Gotta head for the lake. Come on. Keep running. Screw all that. These people crazy. You never had nothing in Ohio, huh? What's in here? Handgun ammo? Yeah, I will use that to my advantage. An attached case has been added to the customized case menu letter. Where is my reading at? Let me save the game. Okay. Hello. Y'all see what I did to y'all boys back there. I don't want to have no problems with nobody, but you know, I got a couple more in me. What's in here? Can I kick this open? I can't kick that open. Dang, they tore the wolf up. Poor dude. Give me that handgun ammo, player. You don't need that. Wow. Oh, where'd you come from? Oh. Yeah, come on. Oh, wait. Can I? Wait. Hold on. So maybe. How do I block? How do I block? Let me. Yup. Me. Sit down. I got something for you. Hold on. Don't get up. Wait. Let me reload. Oh. Yup. Sit your butt down. What you got on you, player? Give me those pesos. Yup. I'm too good. Oh, bro, why'd that scare me? Why did that scare me?
Damn it.
I felt that. Oh, yeah. Nah. Yeah. I know how to block now. Screw all that. Yup. Me. Yeah, sit your butt down. Yeah. I know what I'm doing. A flash grenade? Some more handgun ammo. I'll definitely take that. This game is just... I cannot stress you guys how beautiful this game is. Worth every penny. Oh, look at that. Oh, they killed him. Let me just... Is this where I say the game at? Oh. That's outrageous. Nah, don't you do that. Oh. He was asleep? Ooh, I know that gotta hurt. I'm sorry. Ain't no saving you. Ain't nothing I could do. You remember you ain't want to help me? Can I just like sneak him? Oh. Shut up, chicken. Shut up. Where you at? Shut up. Where'd chicken go? Shut up. Oh yeah, Donde estás? I got something for you. Don't turn around. Don't you turn around. Yo. Yeah. Give me your handgun ammunition. How do I sneak these other ones? Maybe I gotta go over here. Can I open this? Oh, I can't open that. What's my... Got no choice, boys. We in it to win it now. Oh. Oh, run, run, run. Uh-huh. He stabbed me. He stabbed me. Shut up. No. Back up. Uh-huh. I had it with you. Uh-huh. Yep. What's up with you? Wait. Back up on me. Oh no! No! Run! Ah, I'm limping. Ah, he killed me. Oh, wait. Oh, where's my menu? Run, Leon, run! Oh god, wait. Oh, he's charging! No! Wow. What you mean, Don they ass stars? Come here. Shut up. I had it with you. Give me your money. Oh, maybe we go this way. What's in here? Give me your money. Shut up, cattle. Oh, nah. Shut up. Shut up. Here we go. Ah! Oh, I dodged that. Oh, wait. Shut up. Here. Get up. Don't you get up. Don't you get up. Give me your money. Come here. Uh-oh. Almost ran into that. Oh, what's up with you? I'm handling business now. Yup. Yup. Back up on me. Oh, he just punched me? Oh, shit. No. Oh, my nose itchy. Oh, come on. Oh, reload. Come here. Who are you? Nah, you wild. I'm tired of you punching me. I'm stuck. Back up on me. Ain't no way you just did me like that. I got something for you. Uh-oh. Who are you? Oh, that's wild, bro. Wait. Oh, she just stabbed me, bro. That's wild. I just got to that part. Oh, god dang it. Okay, here we go again. Let's run up on her. Shut your butt up. Shut your butt up. Punch me. Get out of here. Oh, she's charging. Oh, I dodged that? Back up. He's choking me. Get off me. Stop choking me!
Come on.
Screw that. Let me reload. Hold on, y'all. Okay, I got him funneled. What's up with you? Got him funneled. That's what you gotta do. I learned this in Apex. How do I pick up? Ah! Bro! What is going on right now? Oh no! Oh no! I'm about to die again. I'm about to die again. I'm about to die again. Oh, he snapped my neck. That is wild, bro. Alright, boys. We gonna go again. Get your butt over here. I don't learn the tactics on you. Give me your pesos. Watch it, stab. Oh, or not. Oh. Hold on. Take the ball. Yeah, you come. I got something for you. I'm gonna rock you. Get you out of here. How do you dodge? Ooh! Woo! Nope. Go up here. Come on. Give me this. I got green herbs. Ah! Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. I can't pick him off, guys. Oh, they're throwing the hexes. They're throwing the hexes. Okay, they're split. They're split. They're split. Get up out of here. Woo. I missed. Go in here. Go in here. Go away. That'll hold him. Oh, who is that? Oh my, not him.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
I gotta. Uh-oh. Oh, I gotta think. Oh! They're getting in. Oh, he's getting in. Go upstairs. Oh, God. No. Shut up. Man. Ah! Wait. Oh! The chainsaw guys are here. Nah. Screw all that. He ain't coming up here.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, maybe not. Maybe y'all can have that. Y'all got that. Come on. One for the head. You know he dead. Oh God. Woo! No. Yep. The chainsaw guy don't care about friendly fire. Oh. Ooh, where'd you come from? Come here. Got something for you. Uh-oh. You don't got a hand. No, he done. Oh, they're coordinated. Okay. Come here. Oh, he's getting back up. Let me reload. Oh, I can't fight. Uh-oh. No! Oh my God! Back up! Oh, he's behind me! Oh, he stabbed me. God dang. Oh, hold on. Wait. Where's my... I don't even think I can craft. Get off me. Give me your money. Okay, he's chasing. The recoil on this. Oh no way. Okay. I give. Oh shoot. Huh?
La campana.
Oh shoot. That's intense for no reason.
Él nos invoca.
Oh jeez. I don't even know why I'm out of breath. I wasn't even running.
Tenemos que servir. Al Lord Sadler Todopoderoso.
That was the most intense game of my life right there.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Resident Evil! Yes, sir! Okay. All right, guys. I guess that'll do it for the first episode. I didn't really have too much time on my hands to continue, but next episode will definitely be longer. I promise you guys. But so far this game is awesome. I'm really enjoying it from beginning to till now. I'm hoping we get a couple good playthroughs going, so it's not just like one big video type deal. But other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next episode.